What's up, guys? Today we will be destroying this washing machine. So right now
we've got DVD player and 2 bricks and a washing machine door seal. And we're gonna put it on service mode.
Yeah, and we've ripped the door off, so there's no door.
Yep. So there's gonna be no breaking glass.
Yeah, so we might die. All right, guys.
God damn. It's kind of scary. Okay.
It just looks like the black hole void. Oh my god.
There it goes.
There it goes.
No, it's about to explode.
Oh. Jack, throw it in. Throw the brick in. Oh my god, no! Ah! Not the DVD player. Jack just threw the DVD player in there. Oh. It's like a freaking shredder, bro. Oh damn. That thing's going so fast. Duct tape? Oh! Why do you have duct tape? That what if it falls over? What are you doing? The foam. More foam. Oh! Oh, damn! Oh, there's all foam pieces flying everywhere. Oh my god. I'm gonna kick it.
Yeah, Jace, kick it real hard. Jace, you get electrocuted. Take the camera.
What?
Take the camera.
Jack, what are you doing?
This is like 20 kilos.
No, Jack, don't throw that in, bro.
Why not?
Do it. No, don't. Wait. Jack. Jack, just do it, bro. Just stand it. Jack, just get anything to throw it in. Oh.
It does not like that.
Oi! Oi!
What? I'm just getting another drink.
Oh my god, bro. I just feel like it's just gonna everything come out and just hit me in the face. Oh damn, brick! Go in! Oh. No, Jack, that brick's way too big.
Shut up.
Ah! You missed. Oh! Oh my god! Whoa! Oh! Bro, the brick's in half! The brick's in half, bro! Yeah!
Oh, DVD plays crushed.
What's up?
Now, just so you know, when this thing's going, don't put your hands anywhere near here.
Yep.
Jack, you should have told him that.
I did. I told him to get away.